this is the lecture number 6 for the chapter quadrication for the class 10th, and we have to discuss in this lecture the fourth exercise, which is based on the nature of the roots. Now we know that if there is a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Now if d is greater than or equal to 0, that we have already discussed, it will be the real roots, and if d is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal, and if d is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. Different roots will be there, and if d is less than 0, so no real roots. No real roots, it means you don't have to find the roots. So this is the question number, this is for the exercise 4.4 in question number 1. You have to find the nature of the roots. If the roots are real, you have to find it. So it is 2x square plus minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So a is 2, b is minus 3, c is 5. To find the d is b square minus 4ac, which is the discriminant, minus 4 into 2 into 5. 9 minus 8 5 is a 40, 31. Because d is less than 0, so no real roots. So you don't have to find the roots. In the second part, we have a as 3, b as minus 4 root 3, and c has 4. To find the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, so b square is this, minus 4 into a into c. So 16 into 3 minus 48, which is coming out to be 0. Now because the d is 0, therefore roots are real and both will be equal. Now because the roots are real, you have to find it also, because it is given. To find the roots, that is minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. To b is minus 4 root 3 plus minus root 0 upon 2 into a is 3. So it is coming out to be 4 root 3 upon 6 plus minus. It will be the same root will be there, or the equal root will be there. So if d is greater or equal to 0, then you have to find the roots. Otherwise, you don't have to find the roots. The third part you can do yourself. You have to find the roots only when the roots are real, that is when d is greater than 0 or equal to 0. Now in the question number 2, find the value of k for which each of the following equations have real and equal roots. So it is given that in this question that the roots are equal. So because roots, real and equal roots given, so therefore discriminant will be 0, that is b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0, that is b is k here, 4 into a into 3 equal to 0. So k square minus 8 3 are 24. So the value of k you will get as under root 24, and plus minus 2 into 2 into 6 plus minus 2 root 6 is the value of k when the roots are real. So when the roots are real is given, you simply put the discriminant equal to 0. See it. In the second part also, the roots real are given. What is the equation? It is kx x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First of all, you convert into the standard form of the quadratic equation for real and equal roots. D will be equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. Now b is minus 2k. The coefficient of x is b. 4 into a into 6 is equal to 0. So 4k square and 24k minus equal to 0. So you can take 4 common. So k minus 6 equal to 0. So the value of k is 0 and the value of k is equal to 6. 0, 6. So this is the value of k for which it is given that the equation have real and equal roots. Real and equal roots it is given. So this is the question number 2 of the exercise 4.4. Now in question number 3, you have to find whether it is possible to design a rectangular mango garden in which length is twice its breadth. So let the breadth be x, the length will be 2x, and its area is given as 800 meter square. So you have to find whether it is possible. So let the breadth will be equal to x and the length is twice of this breadth. The area is length into breadth. So area is given as 800 meter square. Length is 2x and the breadth is x. So you are getting a quadratic equation as this. So you can divide the whole equation by 2. So you are getting a quadratic equation as this, which can be solved it by factorizing this equation, which is x plus 20, x minus 20 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 20, x is equal to 20. This is not possible because the breadth which I have let equal to x not possible. So therefore the breadth is equal to 20 meters and the length is twice of this, that is 40 meters. So yes, this situation is possible because it had been asked whether this condition is possible or not. So this is the question number 2. Now question number 3, again it is possible to design a rectangle this is the question number 3. Now in question number 4, is the following situations possible? It determines the present age. Condition is given in question number 4. Read it carefully. Determine the present age. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So let age of first friend is equal to x years. Therefore the age of second friend will be 20 minus x because the sum of their ages is given as 20. So let the age of one of the friend be x, then the age of the second friend will be 20 minus x. 4 years ago, condition is given. 4 years ago, age of first friend will be x minus 4 years and age of second friend will be 20 minus x minus 4, that is 16 minus x years. It is given, and it is given that the product of their ages, that is x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to it is given as 48. Now try to solve this quadratic equation. Multiply and open the bracket. I am getting the quadratic equation as x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Now the value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 20, the value of c is 112. To find the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, which is 20 ka square, that is minus 4 into a into c, and which is you are getting the discriminant as minus ka 448, which is minus 48, which is not possible because discriminant is less than 0, so not possible. So this situation is not possible, which is given in this question. That is, if the product of their ages 4 years ago is equal to 48, in which we are getting a quadratic equation in which the discriminant is coming out to be negative. When the discriminant is negative, then the roots of the equation are not real, or you cannot find the real roots there. So this is the question number 4. Now in the question number 5, which is the last question of this exercise, you have to design a rectangular park whose perimeter is given and the area is given. Area is given as 400 meters square and the perimeter is given as 80 meters. So twice length plus breadth is equal to 80. So length plus breadth will be equal to 80. Now if I let the breadth as x meters, so the length plus x is equal to 80. So the length will be 80 minus x. So this is the length if I have let that the breadth is x meters. So the area is length into breadth, where the area is given as 400, length is 80 minus x, and the breadth is x. So you're getting a coordinate equation as 80x minus x square. So you are getting a coordinate equation as this. ये आपके पास coordinate equation आ रही है. So when you're solving it, you will get x minus, you can solve it by using the quadratic equation formula. The quadratic equation you are getting as, this is, see it carefully, it is 80 divided by, I've done some wrong here, 80 divided by 2, that is 40. It is 40, 40, 40, it will be 40 here, and it will be again 40, and it is 40. So now this equation will be solved very easily. When you factorize it, it will be 20x minus 20. So therefore length is 20, 20, that is x calculate kara humne breadth. So therefore breadth is 20 meter, length is how much? 40 minus 20, this is also 20 meters. So yes, this situation is can be happened because the length and breadth is coming out to be real, 20 and 20 meters in the given condition that the perimeter of the given rectangle is given as 80 and its area is 40. So what I have let that breadth is equal to x. So perimeter is twice length plus breadth is equal to 80 divided by 2, it is 40. Length को हमने x let करा है, x इधर आके minus, तो breadth is, length is 40 minus x because area is length into breadth. So area is 400. Multiply and open the bracket, you will get a quadratic equation as this. When you solve this quadratic equation, you take your own method. I have solved it by splitting the middle term, which is x minus 20 into x minus 20 equal to 0. So the value of x coming out to be 20, which is possible because the breadth can be 20 meters and the length is 40 minus 20, which is also coming out to be 20 meters. So this is the condition is satisfying. So this is the completion of your chapter quadratic equation of your NCERT book. Okay, thank you.